Hi guys, this is Jeff at Slavens Racing. This video is about a new product we brought in just a little while back. It's called the Oxa pipe for the two-stroke models. And we've got these for a lot of different brands, all the different KTM brands, KTM Gas, Husqvarna, also Sherco, Beta, Yamaha. So we've kind of got all the two-stroke brands covered with this pipe. And we've got them for we go back a few years, not way back. Anyhow, but this is on a 24 TBI. This is my own personal bike. And like with all performance products, we test them. We do a lot of testing with any of these big dollar products, you know, $200 and up or whatever. I mean, there's not necessarily a price point we put on it, but if it's a performance product, whether it's for your engine or your suspension performance, we test it. We want to make sure it's a good product. We do not sell performance products that don't work. We just don't do it. There's a lot of them out there, and they're not on our website. So we heard about this through some friends in the hard enduro world. Also, some customers in Europe told us how much they liked them, and then some guys over here asked if we'd bring them in. And we also got a big recommendation and some dyno charts from one of our colleagues. So anyhow, with all those things, we decided to bring one in. So we ordered one in for testing and did some initial testing. Then we ordered a few more in and spread them around the country for some more testing. And we really like this product. It's an excellent product because it does a lot of things right. It adds more horsepower across the board. So from the very bottom to the very top, it pulls harder. It pulls smooth. It doesn't have some radical hit that's hard to ride. It's a very smooth power delivery. It's got a little more over rev on the top. But on 300s, guys, you need to be careful about over revving, especially if you're a track guy that likes to rev the guts out of them over jumps and stuff. That doesn't work on 300s. Eventually you'll break a piston. And I've got a separate video coming out on that soon, so stay tuned for that. Anyhow, it does give you a little more top end over rev, a little more bottom end, pulls harder everywhere through the middle. Very nice power delivery, very smooth. The power delivery is very similar to the stock pipe, only more everywhere. As far as the construction of the pipe, it fits extremely well. They use these, it comes with two mounts for the front and this back mount. These are called swing elements. These are what KTM used for many, many years. I bet they used these things for 20 years. And the reason they did that is because it makes it easier to install the pipe for one thing, but also it makes it easier to take off if you've damaged the pipe, if you've smash the pipe, because sometimes smashed pipes are very difficult to get off your bike. I mean, I've had to use pry bars and things over the years to get them off. So that makes it easier for removing the pipe as well as installing the pipe. And the pipe fits well, and it's also got a little more ground clearance. That's one of their claims, and it's obvious by looking at it that, you know, it's got more ground clearance down here. As far as the material, I don't know if it's any thicker than the stock pipe or not. I think it is because it feels just a little heavier. The weld seams are very nice. I mean, the seam welds are very nice. Everything about the pipe so far has been a big home run. And then I've got quite a bit of time on this pipe already. I've got, I don't know how many rides, but a lot. And I like it a lot. Like I said, it pulls harder everywhere, but yet it's smooth and very easy to ride. But there's definitely more there throughout the power band. Now on my bike, on the fueling on this bike, I had it set pretty crispy for up in the mountains. And when I put this on, it leaned it out just a hair. So I had to richen it up just a bit. And what I was feeling that made me richen it up, it was not smooth. It was kind of jerky on the bottom when I first got it, and that was because it was too lean. So anyhow, I corrected that. The bike runs exceptionally well. This is going to be my go-to pipe. probably for quite a while. But we still have a lot of other great pipes on our website. I mean, FMF brand, we sell the hell out of those. They make great products, and it's still a great pipe for this bike or any other bike. But we always like to try new stuff. This has got a great price point on it. And so we always like to see that whenever possible. But and sometime in the future, I don't know exactly when, because I've got kind of a full docket right now. Plus, I'm trying to get some traveling in. But sometime in the near future, I'm planning to make a pipe video where I compare some of the popular pipes. But before this, I had an FMF fatty on it, and I smashed it, so that's why I changed the pipe. But the FMF fatty also worked very well. But guys, this Oxa pipe, it's a home run. I've not found a negative to it yet. You know, it's got better clearance, it's got great construction, great welds, a great mounting system, it's a great power delivery, more power. I mean, I don't know what else you want. It pretty much gives you everything that you can dream of. And also a good price point. So they're on our website, slavensracing.com. And like I said, there will be a future video coming out with a kind of a shootout video. So stay tuned for that. And if you would, please give us a shout out once in a while on social media, and like us on Instagram and Facebook, subscribe to us on YouTube. Those things help us a lot. All right, guys, that's all for now. Most important thing you can do, I don't care what pipe you've got on there or if it's smashed or brand new or what, is to get out and ride. Get some throttle therapy. Don't forget why you bought your bike. That's all for now.